Gentlemen, let me ask you something deeply personal. Are you waking up tired even after what should have been a full night's sleep? Do you notice your erections aren't as strong as they once were? Or that morning firmness that used to be automatic has become a rare visitor? Or maybe your energy feels like it's leaking away little by little, day after day, and you're starting to wonder if this is just your new normal. If any of that sounds painfully familiar, I need you to stay with me right now because what I'm about to share isn't just another normal part of aging that you have to accept. It's a red flag your body is waving at you, a warning that something essential is missing from your nightly routine. And here's the exciting part. Fixing it doesn't require expensive drugs, risky procedures, or complicated regimens. Sometimes it comes down to one key nutrient at the right time of day. Something simple, safe, and profoundly effective that can transform how you sleep, how you feel, and how you perform. Before we dive in, let me quickly ask you to support this channel. Give this video a like so more men can find this life-changing information. Drop a comment below telling me where you're watching from. I love seeing this community grow across every continent. And hit that subscribe button so you never miss my latest men's health updates. Now let's get real about what's happening inside your body at night, because this is where the magic happens, or where it falls apart. So many men over 60 tell me the same thing in my office. Doctor, I guess this is just what happens when you get older. I just have to accept it. And I stop them right there, every single time. Because no, it's not just your age. When you're constantly exhausted, when erections weaken, when desire fades, when you wake up feeling like you haven't slept at all, that's not simply nature running its course. That's a system breaking down. What's really happening is that your nightly recovery system, the one that's been working for decades, is starting to fail. See, nighttime isn't just about closing your eyes and drifting off. It's when your body does its most important work. Testosterone production peaks during deep sleep. Blood vessels in your penis regenerate and expand so they can respond when you need them. Your prostate calms and reduces inflammation, and your mitochondria, your cell's power plants, recharge so you can wake up strong, alert, and ready to conquer the day. If that system fails, the first places to collapse are your virility, your energy, and your quality of sleep. The good news, and I mean this from the bottom of my heart, this isn't irreversible. It is not a life sentence, and it often comes down to one overlooked vitamin mineral that almost every man over 60 is severely deficient in. For those of you new here, my name is Dr. Narita. I'm a board-certified urologist and men's health physician with over 12 years of clinical experience. I've sat across from thousands of men, many of them in their 60s, 70s, even 80s, who thought their best days were behind them. And time after time, I've seen how restoring certain fundamentals, especially sleep and recovery, can reignite confidence, intimacy, and energy in ways they thought were gone for good. Today, I'm going to walk you through the one key nutrient that supports erections, testosterone, and sleep all at once. The 3 biggest mistakes men make when trying it, and exactly how to use it correctly so you wake up rested, energized, and more vital than you felt in years. So let's begin the countdown. Mistake number 1, ignoring magnesium deficiency. Let's talk straight. The number 1 mineral most men are missing is magnesium. Why does that matter so much? Biologically, magnesium is the calm down switch for your nervous system. Without enough of it, your body stays stuck in alert mode, locked in a state of low-grade stress that never truly relaxes. You may fall asleep, but you never reach deep, restorative sleep. Your brain stays active, your muscles stay tense, and your body never gets the recovery it desperately needs. Emotionally, that leaves you waking up foggy, irritable, heavy, and discouraged before your feet even hit the floor. And let's be honest, when you're exhausted day after day, intimacy feels more like a burden than a joy. It's hard to feel connected when you're running on empty. Practically, over time, this deficiency shows up as weaker erections, more frequent nighttime bathroom trips, restless legs that keep you tossing and turning, and waking up feeling like you never slept at all. So if you're getting less restful nights and fewer morning erections, don't just blame age. It could be magnesium quietly slipping away from your system. And the good news is, you can get it back. Mistake number 2, choosing the wrong form. Here's where so many men waste their money and their hope. They walk into a pharmacy, grab the cheapest bottle labeled magnesium oxide, and think they're set. Big mistake. Magnesium oxide has poor absorption, meaning most of it passes right through your system without doing anything useful. It mostly causes stomach upset and diarrhea without delivering any real benefits to your sleep or your hormones. For men over 60, the forms that actually matter are magnesium glycinate. This form works directly on your parasympathetic nervous system, helping you relax, loosen tense muscles, and fall into deeper, more restorative sleep. It also dilates blood vessels, laying the foundation for stronger morning erections. Then there's magnesium threonate. This is the form that crosses into your brain. It helps calm racing thoughts, reduce nighttime anxiety, and sharpen memory and focus. When your goal is better sleep, improved erections, and restored vigor, these are the forms that actually count. Don't settle for cheap imitations. Your health deserves better. Mistake number 3, taking it at the wrong time. Timing is everything when it comes to magnesium. Magnesium is calming. It tells your body it's safe to rest and recover. If you take it in the morning, you'll feel sluggish, and you'll lose the very nighttime recovery benefits you need most. The best time? 30 to 60 minutes before bed. Take it with warm water or chamomile tea. Dim the lights, put the phone away, and give your body the signal it's time to rest. Do that consistently, and your body begins to reset itself night after night until it becomes a natural rhythm. Mistake number 4, expecting instant results. This one's absolutely critical. Magnesium doesn't work like caffeine or a blue pill. It works cumulatively, night after night, layer after layer. Most men notice in the first few nights falling asleep faster and feeling deeper relaxation. By the end of week 1, more energy in the morning, fewer bathroom trips, and stronger morning erections that remind you of younger days. After 2 weeks of consistency, you're looking at solid 6 to 8 hours of sleep, a calmer mood, clearer focus, and a natural lift in libido that doesn't feel forced or fake. The key word here is consistency. Miss nights and you lose momentum. This is a habit, not a quick fix. So how do you put this into action starting tonight? Choose the right type. Look for magnesium glycinate or magnesium threonate on the label. Take the right dose. Start low, 200 milligrams of glycinate or 1 gram of threonate, and adjust if needed based on how your body responds. Set a bedtime routine. Lights down, no screens, magnesium with warm water, bed within an hour. Stack it smartly. Pair magnesium with zinc and vitamin B6, often called ZMA, for even stronger effects on testosterone, muscle recovery, and libido. And one bonus tip, pair it with gentle nighttime stretching. When you ease muscle tension before bed, magnesium works even better. Now let me pause for a moment because I know what some of you are thinking. I see it in your eyes when you come to my office. Doctor, I feel like I've already lost too much ground. Maybe it's too late for me. Maybe I've waited too long. I want you to hear me clearly, and I need you to believe this. It is not too late. I have seen men in their late 70s who thought intimacy was gone forever, who had given up hope, only to rediscover connection, confidence, and joy once their sleep and recovery returned. This isn't about chasing youth. It's about restoring dignity, freedom, and the ability to wake up each morning ready for life. Gentlemen, fatigue, poor sleep, fading erections, these are not inevitable signs of aging. They are signs of deficiency, and deficiencies can be fixed. Your body still has the ability to be strong, vital, and intimate, but it needs your partnership. It needs you to give it the right tools, starting at night. So tonight, take that step. Support your sleep, support your recovery, support your masculinity. Because when you do, you don't just change your nights, you change your days, your relationships, and your future. If this video helped you, please like it so more men can find this message. Comment below and tell me, where are you watching from? I love seeing the community we're building worldwide.